Whenever I wake up in the morning, so first thing is I meet to my visitors and I say hello to them. For the small tiny birds, they'll visit me daily. Whenever they see me, they suddenly fly from the balcony. Straight away they'll land on my head or my shoulder. They start nodding and they make some noises that they're happy. This is something very rare or magical. But when I started my bird watching journey, nobody was believing that it's a wild visiting bird. I was a bird lover since the childhood when I observed that the concept of bird feeder is really nice. So initially I installed a single bird feeder and waited for almost 2 to 3 months. Suddenly Indian ringneck parrot visited on that feeder and my happiness was on cloud 9 on that day. Initially he was so scared. I used to do basic body movements and he used to fly away within a second. I used to call him to come jump on the feeder or have some food. And he used to respond to that like,
very good.
In later days, he started, directly fly on my head, my shoulder. I think he realized that I can trust this human. And later by what happened is he must have, tell the story to other of his friends. That was just a wow moment of my life. Today, I welcome 50 to 60 birds every day. I install a dead tree branch for them so they can climb and sit on that tree comfortably, and added the swing because they like to play. They come randomly, visit, sit, they do their chit chat and they, just fly away. But I feel that they know me as a person because multiple birds are showing trust on me. They can eat from your hand and want me to pet them. It's like a dream come true and it's heavenly feeling. We used to watch Disney movies like a Cinderella, and the same thing is happening with me in real life. Most of the people directly say that they don't like them because they are the troublemakers. The thing is, actually they don't know the reality of birds because they never got a chance to interact with them. Those are very cute, tiny souls and they can fulfill our life with happiness. I am very blessed to have the company of these tiny souls around. And I just can't imagine my life without them.